Transform 5.0 is proud to release a new data loading ingestion framework that allows users to easily create and update their data in one seamless process using advanced data loading rules. Here we load a landmark OWX data file and immediately look at the locations directly imported out of the file in a base map relative to the data that's already been loaded. We can easily change the CRS of the imported data until we are certain that the data is located properly. This takes the guesswork out of data loading, and as one of our clients has already said, will eliminate days out of their data loading process. Once we have ensured the data is in the right area, we can easily see the data that will be created and that which will be updated depending on which loading option is selected. Transform has developed a sophisticated set of data rules for predefined profiles such as creating only new data, updating data, preserving data, and various combinations of these. A set of rules can be set up one time depending on the data format or company, stored and used over and over again to load gigabytes of information in minutes, not days. That quickly, we just loaded hundreds of new wells in the southwestern portion of the Wattenberg-Niobrara project. Transform has released revolutionary new technology that quickly and accurately turns raster log images into digital well logs. Watch how quickly we can turn this image into a digital curve. Here we show a depth registered raster image on the left, and on the right a straightened image of the gamma ray track. We want to digitize this gamma ray trace on the right as quickly and as accurately as possible for use in automated reservoir delineation. We use a patented image analysis technique where the user only needs to select a few manual points and the rest of the curve is digitized. The algorithm also automatically computes trace wrapback. In literally seconds, we have accurately digitized 1,600 feet of a gamma ray log. We can now easily save this out as an LAS file or, as shown here, as a gamma ray curve. Now that this curve is produced, we can easily delineate the sand reservoir zone using Transform's patented automated tops correlation. We place one seed on the top of the zone to create the top of the reservoir, and then one seed at the base to create the base. The top sand reservoir zone is then created using the autocorrelated top and base picks. We easily continue this process into 3 dimensions and delineate the zone over the field. Once complete, we then use one of Transform's many extraction tools to compute seismic and well log attributes over this interval for use in analytics. One of these attributes is bubble mapped here on the base map. Hundreds of attributes may then be quickly analyzed for outliers, redundancy, and multidimensional trends in Transform's world-class analytics module. Multivariate models are then created and applied to investigate optimal areas for drilling and bypassed reserves. In Release 5.0, geoscientists can now adjust and edit their horizons in real time. Here on the Carlisle structure horizon in the Niobrara play assessment, the user can interactively move a contour and see the change of their edit in real time before the actual surface is changed. The edited horizon can easily be retied to control data as shown here using an error removal option. Away from data, the contour edits are preserved. The window on the right is using the edited horizon on the left and then retying the horizon to the control points. Note how the edits are preserved. When edits are made near well control, as shown here, the edits are minimally preserved when they are retied to the control. A 3D depth window is easily launched, and the control tops are shown along the new horizon to illustrate that the edits and the tying of the data are preserved. More horizon editing tools are shown here where the user can control elevations and depressions of a given horizon. Again, the horizon is tied back to the control data shown at the right. In many seismically derived horizons, More tools are available for cleaning up bad areas of the horizon where the picker may have tracked poor seismic data. Here, an eraser tool is shown. A smoothing tool is also now available to clean up ratty contours near the edges of a horizon, again, where the seismic picker may have become unstable. Release 5.0 is now integrated with Drilling Info's new DI Atlas layers. Users can now easily load WMS pipeline, rigs, paleo maps, play assessment maps, and many other layers. Here are two paleo maps shown, the early Permian and the early mid-Cretaceous. Salient petroleum structure maps are also available. For example, here we show the Williston Basin Bakken and the Permian Wolfcamp depth surfaces. Here we show a DI lease activity heat map over the last 90 days. Here we turn on the DI rigs layer. The red locations are reported locations, and the blue locations are pending. Lastly, we show the DI pipelines and DI legal lease points. The pipeline colors represent various petroleum types, such as crude oil, natural gas, LPG or NGL, carbon dioxide, and ones that have been abandoned. Finally, Transform 5.0 has undertaken a massive effort in usability improvements by streamlining our data views to load only appropriate and relevant data using convenient flyout data panels. There is no more scene tree management. Everything is managed in its own high-performance data table. A data tree that once had 7 levels depth to display seismic data is now collapsed into 1. New workflows allow users to easily find and search wells. Also, Transform has been optimized to now handle a couple of 100,000 wells. Most of our workflows are faster than ever before.